Previously on Fairbuds XL Explained, we admired these beautiful headphones for their premium, sustainable design and enjoyed an easy quick start guide together. In this chapter, we will address the not unimportant matter of actually using the Fairbuds XL. Hold on to something, because here we go. Chapter 2. How to use the headphones. Ah yes, the joystick. This unassuming but powerful little knob truly lives up to its name. Let's discover all its joyful potential, shall we? To turn up the volume, simply push up the joystick repeatedly and stop when you're satisfied. To decrease the volume, you guessed it, simply push it down instead. Skipping to the next song takes a simple push to the right, while restarting the track only takes one push of the joystick to the left. Returning to the previous song takes 2 quick pushes to the left. An incoming call will be announced by the notification light turning white and the catchy Fairphone ringtone interrupting your music. 1 short press on the joystick to answer it, a 2-second press on the joystick to reject the call and get back to your listening session. The Fairbuds XL even have a dedicated button to drown out all distractions. If things get a little noisy, actively cancel out the noise with the aptly called ANC button here above the joystick on the right speaker in black or green. A crisp noise cancelling prompt will notify you of the active noise cancellation kicking in. Being aware of one's surroundings has its benefits, which is why we've added the so-called ambient mode, a feature that lets the world back into your bubble, literally. To tune back into your environment and pick up on all the sounds and noises while still listening to your music, press the active noise cancelling button again. You will hear ambient sound, followed by the sounds of the world around you. To turn these fancy features back off, just press the ANC button until you hear the voice saying noise cancelling off. Now Fairbuds XL return to standard operating mode. So that's 1 press to activate active noise cancelling, a 2nd press to activate ambient mode, and a 3rd press to turn these features off. This concludes another chapter in our quest to understand and enjoy the Fairbuds XL. Do stay tuned for future episodes.